tonight I got tickets for this holiday lights thing at Filoli Gardens. It's like this estate in Woodside, and it's like they have really big gardens there, and they put lots of lights for Christmas. So I'm excited to see it with our Christmas hats. Can I crown you?
Sure. Wow. I'm ready.
This is my hat. I'm a reindeer.
Pretty cool.
Okay, let's go. We're all bundled up. We just got here and it's so cute. There's lights everywhere.
Pretty boring so far, but we'll let you know. It's gonna get really exciting.
Are fogging up. It's so pretty with all the lights. Now which way?
Left maybe?
Left and then up here.
Logan, that's right.
Wow, there's like poinsettias. Do we look scary? This is too scary.
I like it.
We're in Golden Gate Park at the Peacock Meadow, and they have this light up display, and there's like giant trees and lots of light up things. This is my friend Emily.
Hello. Wow, I'm famous.
We were saying it would be better to come back when there's less people
Yeah,
here.
like on a weekday. It's really pretty though.
Yeah. We might go look for more holiday houses in San Francisco.
Yeah, with less people.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. So since there's like no real Christmas this year probably, I wanted to have Christmas fun with this video. So I've been trying to see lots of Christmas lights in the San Francisco area this year. And then yesterday I went to Golden Gate Park with my friend Emily, and we saw, it wasn't really Christmas lights, but they have like a light display there. And we might keep trying to look for more Christmas houses. So yeah, but today I wanted to make Christmas cookies. So there were these cookies that I always used to eat when I was younger for Christmas, and they were like Keebler brand almond crescent cookies. and they don't sell them anymore, but I really liked those cookies, so I'm gonna try to make them and we'll see how good they are. I just got a recipe from online. And if you hear a background noise, it's my dishwasher. My dishwasher is on right now. So let's get into our Christmas sweater and let's get baking. Okay, I'm gonna be using this recipe from Simply Recipes, and it says it makes 2½ dozen cookies, so I'm gonna make half of that. 1/2 cup butter into the bowl. I smelled the butter earlier. It smells really good. I never really smelled butter before, but this one smells good. It smells sweet. I also really like when you mix butter and sugar. It tastes really good. Now I'm gonna use my mixer. Vanilla and almond extracts. Okay, I really want to smell these ones too. I don't know why we're smelling all the ingredients today. Oh, this is my first time using almond extract. I just bought this one. Oh, it smells really strong. It smells like almonds. Vanilla extract always smells good. Yep. And blendy. What are you doing for Christmas or the holidays this year? Do you celebrate any holidays? Okay, it really looks not like dough. It's like really crumbly. Or I don't know if I might need to add more liquid. Okay, yeah, so the dough is pretty dry, and people in the comments of the recipe were saying to add extra butter, or someone said cream cheese, and I have like a little bit of cream cheese that I'm probably not gonna use for anything, so I might try to add that. Okay, mixy one more time. Okay, that was my arm workout for the week. But okay, the dough is much better now. Here is the dough, and then I'm just gonna make little balls with it and then turn it into crescents. That works. It's not perfect, but it's something. Then once the oven's heated, I'll cook them. I just keep eating the dough, it's really good. Okay, they're in the oven now, and I'm gonna cook them for like 15 minutes. Okay, I added the powdered sugar onto the cookies, and they're done. They look really good. I haven't tried them yet, so I'm gonna try them now. They're pretty dry, but the flavor is good. Yay! Okay, so last weekend we went to look at some Christmas lights in San Francisco, and this weekend we're going to look at more in the Sunset District. My glasses are so foggy, you can see it. And this is...
My name is Emily, and I will open a P.O. box for fan mail if you insist.
And my name is Arsalan, and I will not be opening a P.O. box.
Okay, yes, Emily, I'll put her P.O. box in the description for any fan mail, and she's looking forward to all of your lovely messages. Okay, let's go look at Christmas houses. Yay! Snowflakes. There's a tunnel. Emily,
Yeah.
where do you think the tunnel leads to?
I think it leads to dogs and cats.
Yeah.
Oh, it leads to the North Pole actually, duh.
Oh,
Obviously.
okay. Let's go to the North Pole. It almost feels like I'm at a rave. A rave?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're almost to the North Pole. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Wow, it did get colder. Wow.
What does the North Pole feel like?
It feels
Different.
cold and snowy, and I think like there are reindeers. I think I hear them.
Oh, there's a present.
It's just like kind of sparse.
Thanks for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Have a good holiday season, and I'll see you next time.